Aubrey Solo. Hey guys, it's Aubrey Slimes, and today we are going to be testing 3 soap slimes. So the first one...
Don't judge, we're just drinking coffee here.
Yeah, as you guys can see.
Coffee
latte.
It's dark coffee, not really creamer and all that in there. So first, sorry, let's move this.
So first off, we're going to do the
Vanilla avocado.
and then we're going to do this one.
Yeah.
Could you bring me my glasses over there and my ball?
Sure. Just
Turn that this
Sorry guys. So first we are going to do this one. Then we're going to do this one. And then we're going to add them together. So we're just going to work on...
let's do both of these.
Yeah, we're doing both of these. Okay, so we're just using a little because we don't know if it's going to work.
And then we're going to add a little bit of these.
What?
So we're going to add a little bit of these, I guess.
Yeah, they're
Some
like
confetti
these,
glitters.
confetti glitters.
Okay, we're just going to add a little bit. I'm going to add it to yours.
I'm just going to go ahead and mix, kind of.
Mix.
So guys, it looks clear in there, but the soap is in there with the little spiky things.
But it's not really that thick, so I can't say it's going to work. Here, pick some soap off from here. Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm just going to start mix.
Is it working?
I don't know, like, I feel like it's clumping, but like, guys, look, it's like clumping, but like, it's not like, you know,
Here.
clumping.
I'm just going to add a lot with these.
Oh yeah, we'll show off my alum.
Huh?
We'll show off my alum.
Yeah, but it's not here.
Oh yeah, it's downstairs, right?
Okay.
Oh, who cares? We're tasting.
It's downstairs in the mattress. I had a lot. That's what I did.
Then I need more soap.
No, I had a lot, so like clumps. Yeah. Well, I'm not adding more soap. It's just gonna clump up. See, it's clumping.
I need more confetti.
See, mine's clumping. See, guys, it's going clumping. It's turning.
And just so you guys
Oh,
know,
it worked.
and just so you guys know, we're having a sleepover. So.
Oh, yeah, I like this. I like the texture.
So actually, I think it was a success.
But don't try it. It wasn't a success. It's just all the confetti.
It's just all the confetti made it. So this was a fail. Okay, we're gonna get to need new bowls.
No, we're gonna just wash these real fast.
Okay, guys, while he's washing those, I wanna see.
washing my hair.
Yeah, so the next one's gonna be this. I'm just gonna feel the texture just to make sure. Oh god, this is like already like slimy, guys. It's like so jiggly. It's literally so jiggly. Look, you guys can even see it in the container.
Here,
how
I'm just
jiggly
gonna
it is.
use this. For one.
Let me see it.
Because I don't want to finish this right now. Mine's not really working. Is yours?
No, guys, I think.
Wait.
That's way too much.
I'm just gonna add a lot until it clumps. It's clumping, guys.
There. Oh, it doesn't.
Let me see it. I need to get for mine. Yeah. Like that.
I need more of these confetti things.
We're just gonna. Don't add a lot. Ooh, it's clumping.
Oh my god.
Guys, you need to see my literally clumping. Here, close up. It's like, see? It's clumps. Is yours working?
Yeah. See, guys, mine's clumping too.
I'm just gonna add a little bit of coffee.
You're adding coffee?
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it made it a pretty brown color. Fails. Just fails. Now we're gonna have to mix both of them together and see their reaction. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay.
And then I'm gonna add some of this.
It really didn't work.
And just so you guys, we are going to perfect these on camera soon.
Here, I'm gonna add a little bit of scoring just so we can show you what the texture is with this one.
Because we really want to do it.
And then we're gonna add
I
my.
really like this one.
We'll do 7 more. Okay.
Oh, and this is the slime we're putting in there. It's like this really crunchy. I love it so much.
Yeah.
Cool. Slime.
Guys, I don't know why she likes it.
Well, it's my opinion, so can't judge. I'm gonna like kind of cut it up, you know.
Well, mine's not. Mine's melting.
Look at mine.
Yours is literally mixing. Mine's like in one place.
Because you added coffee.
What's wrong with coffee? We should make coffee soda.
Oh my god. He's thinking of so many YouTube videos we could do that we actually really can't do.
Well, because we don't have the ingredients here. Oh, what is this? Aubrey, that's. Oh. Guys, you should love my texture.
Oh, it's clumping now.
It feels like way too much salt. It's so fun. Oh, that salt feels so bad. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
This is turned to a mess.
Okay, just ate it, Aubrey. Just ate it.
You just ate it?
No, I said ate it. Aubrey, it was a fail. Just end the video.
Okay, guys, this was a definitely fail video. But love you guys. Bye.
Love you.
Oh my gosh. Wait, say bye. You didn't say bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye. Okay, in 3, we're going to say love you, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Love you.
Bye.